Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scott Lorraine Marketing. Today, I want to go over with you guys how to add the Market Center intranet calendar to your KW Google Calendar. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to mykw.kw.com. Now, this website will use the same logins as your KW Command platform. If you're already logged into KW Command, you should also be logged into MyKW. From here, though, we want to just scroll down until we find these quick links. Now, once we find those quick links, we want to find one that says My KW Market Center, your Market Center number, Intranet. Now, if you're in more than one Market Center, you may want to do this for both. I'm just going to utilize this top one for today's example. Now, you may get a prompt. Just make sure you check this. I'm going to go ahead and skip for now. And from there, we are brought into the Market Center intranet for this specific Market Center. Now, you'll see there are maybe some office posts, associate posts, things like that. We want to take a look, though, at this calendar in the top right corner. So what we want to do is click View Calendar. And once we open that, before we add this to our KW email calendar, we want to just make sure that there are classes or trainings or anything like that populating in here. If your calendar is 100% blank when you come in here, most likely your Market Center staff is utilizing a different calendar. In that case, we may recommend reaching out to them and seeing if there is a different calendar to use and if that can also be synced somehow with your KW email calendar, just to make it easy for you to access on the go in the event that you're interested in attending those trainings. For this example, though, this office is highly using their calendar. There's tons of things going on. We want to hit this subscribe button in the banner of the calendar. Now, once we click that, you'll see that I have the office calendar. It's already clicked on, it's green. If it wasn't, you would just click Setup Now and under Office Calendar, and that would allow you to proceed the way we are. For this specific example, we want to select Google Android because we're going to be adding this to our KW Google Calendar. So I'm going to select that. Now from here, the easiest way to do this is to copy this URL right here. So I'm going to highlight that and right click and copy. And from there, I'm going to go into my Gmail account. Hopefully this is your KW email, but if it's not and you're utilizing a different Gmail, it will work the same. Now from here, I've already got my calendar open on the right-hand side, but if I didn't, I could just click that. I can also click these dots up here and find my calendar that way. So two options for that. If you're utilizing the one right here, you can hit this open in a new tab. And that will open a full-size calendar for you. Now I'm going to click these lines up here to access the menu. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit add, and I'm going to use from a URL. Now, once I click that, I'm going to paste the URL right here, and we're going to click add calendar. Now, once that calendar is added, you'll see the URL is gone. If I go back, I should have a new calendar that I can add here and utilize. It may take a second for it to show up, but once it's there, you'll have that and be able to access those calendar, those classes, and everything like that. Actually, it's property based, so you can rename this. If we want to do settings, we'll do Market Center Intranet Office Calendar. Now I have that renamed. I can easily turn it off, turn it on. That's going to show all of those classes on here so that we can take a look at those, join those when we want to, etc. So that is how you add the Market Center calendar to your KW Google Calendar or any Google Calendar. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions at all, please reach out to us at support@scottlorainemarketing.com. Have a great day.